Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can register into an online banking account of Halifax. I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First thing, while you're trying to register into an online banking account, you need to make sure that you already have a bank account, and only then you'll be able to register into an online banking account. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing, you need to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, you need to type in the link that is www.halifax.co.uk/. You can also find the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and this is what the interface is going to look like. So in order to register into an online banking account, you can see right on top you have a list of tools, and in the top right corner you need to click on register. So as you click on register, next interface will be directed to the enrollment page, and on this interface you'll also be able to find the information regarding the bank, and you can go through it. First of all, you need to provide a title, and after that you need to provide your first name and a last name. Once you do that, next thing you need to enter your date of birth and then a postcode of your UK. In case if you're not a resident from UK, then you need to click on the option that is I don't live in UK, and after that you'll have some alternative. So once you do that, next thing you need to enter your account information. First of all, you need to provide your account type and a short code, which means a CVV number. Next thing, you need to enter your account number. As already mentioned before, in case you do not have a bank account on Halifax, then you'll not be able to register or you'll not be able to enroll into an online banking account. So once you do that, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom, and after that you need to create your sign-in detail. So in order to create a sign-in detail, first thing you need to do is provide your contact information, and after that create a password and a username. So when you've provided your contact information, make sure that you've provided the contact information that is linked with your bank account. And after you've provided the contact information, after that, in order to verify, you'll be receiving a verification code or a link, which you need to click on it, or you need to type in the verification code. After you've provided the correct information, and then you've successfully signed up into an online banking account of Halifax, and now you can explore it. And that is how you can register or enroll into an online banking account of Halifax. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.